Hello everyone, my name is Bukky. Welcome to this channel. So today I am going to be talking about something that is really a huge part of your financial freedom, and that is how to earn money, how to earn up to $7,500 monthly from the corner of your home, or from your dining table, or from your work table, from anywhere in the world. And this website is quite legit. It's really legit because I have tried it and I was really amazed at how it functions. Now you may be wondering, so why are we talking about this today? It's because I also receive a lot of questions. You know what, you talk a lot about how to keep money, but can you also give us some ideas about how to earn money? And this video is for those people asking questions on how to earn money without leaving the four walls of your home. Yes, that is what this particular video is about. And I'm going to share about Studypool. It's an online website whereby you can tutor other people, like students who have questions. It could be any form of questions that they have, and you are able to how you earn money is that you're able to answer those questions or help them with their homework. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm not just going to tell you about the benefit of this particular Studypool, but I'm also going to show you how I got signed up, what the process was like, and my first impression of this Studypool. And I would also share with you how I got my first earning from this particular from Studypool. So it's really legit. Like I said, within 24 hours that I signed up, I already started earning from Studypool. Okay, without much ado, let's take a deep dive. All right, so Studypool, like according to my research, is a US based company, right? But it's something that is accessible all over the world, right? So it's not just for US people, it's also whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Asia, you are in Australia, in New Zealand, you are in Europe, you can access Studypool, right? And this platform is in English. So if you are an English speaker and you have a lot of knowledge about certain topics, maybe in business, in mathematics, in English, or in programming, in marketing, or anything at all, in chemistry, in physics, anything at all you can think of, if you have that knowledge, if you've gone through school and you know that you can teach other people what you've learned, then this website is your deal to earn some more money. Now, you can approach this website two ways. You can say, okay, you know what, I want to do it as a full-time, or I just want to do it as a side also. As time goes on, when you realize, okay, how profitable it is for you, you can then switch from making it, a side also, a part-time thing, into full-time job. Because I've seen videos of people who said, they started out as a part-time, but now they're making it full-time, and they've even grown it. They've made it a full-blown business by, because on Studypool, it is possible for you to actually outsource within Studypool. Like, this website is that good. I was like, wow. Which means that at some point, as a tutor, when you have a lot of customers in terms of students, and then you build that relationship with them, and they trust you, they can give you their homework, they trust the quality of your work, they will come to you because they know that once they come to you, get their problem solved. Now, if you build that relationship, it means that there will be a time that they will give you so much to do that you might not be able to do all. And then you can now outsource or give this to some other people or some other tutors, and then you get a cut out of the work those other people are doing, and then it's some kind of passive income for you. Yes. So, and that is the point I want to also pass across. Remember in my last video here where I talked about 8 habits or 10 habits of millionaires, one of the things I mentioned is that millionaires just don't, diversify their income. They also make it passive. So this Studypool is going to help you to diversify your income, right? And also help you to earn passively if you get to the point of outsourcing some of your work. Yeah, because you're not the one working, it's some other people doing the work for you, but because you have that relationship with the students, you are able to earn that passive income. All right, so that is that about Studypool. And so the next question is, so how does this work? In some other freelancing or some other remote working environment or platforms, you have to, you like someone has to search for you. Let me use an example of what's it called, Fiverr. When you go on Fiverr, you just put your profile and you pray to God that somebody put in the keyword that you used, and then they find you and they think, okay, you can do the job, and the price matches. That is what Fiverr would do for you, right? But with Studypool, you have the choice to pick what you think you're interested in, what you think you can do, and bid for it, and bam, you start earning. So of course, you might not be the only one bidding for that particular topic, right? But then you can approach people, and that, I think, that is more proactive than just waiting there and praying to God or praying to heavens to smile on you that somebody discovers your profile, right? So that is a very huge advantage that I think Studypool has. And the second advantage or second benefit that I see in this program or on this for this platform is that the fact that you are able to build long-term relationship with the students you're working with the students you're tutoring for. In fact, there is even an opportunity for you to, do video tutoring, right? Which is awesome, right? So if you imagine, if you build relationship with someone again over and over again, you've helped them on and on, you can comfortably and easily increase your price, because the person knows that, okay, whatever I'm getting from this person, I know it's good quality, and I know that I'm going to pass my exams or I'm going to pass my homework. So you can then bid for more. You can, increase your income through that. And then, I said that on Studypool, as your profile rises, you are able to outsource. Yes, and that is something I believe it's also good, because then you can now turn it into a full-time business. And maybe after some time you've really been grounded in the way it works, you can probably draw out, step back as a tutor, and then just get the jobs and outsource to new tutors, and then you just do a quality assurance to make sure that whatever they are delivering is what your students want. So that is a huge advantage or huge benefit that I think you should definitely try Studypool out if you are into teaching people. Thing is to log in and using your username and password. So you have to like set up your username and password, but I've gone through that past that stage, so I'm not going to show it in this video. And the next thing would be that, so you have this, I just typed stupid things here. So I set this as $50 per hour, save and continue. And they would ask you what you should write about something interesting. So for example, you can choose business, and then they will give you something here to write about. You can see 200 to 500 words. It must be plagiarism free, and make sure for them to be able to approve your application, make sure that you fulfill all of these things they have here. So when I did my own application, I made sure I went one after the other to check I had these things, columns, commas, semicolons, and everything in the application, and I made sure it's automatically set to the APA format at least. Right. And what I did was I just tried to do something on Word document, and then I just copied and pasted. I just uploaded it here. That's what I did. So I will just go to one of the things I already did. I think I had it here. Just give me a second. Yes, I did something. I had it here. I just came here and picked something, and that was it. I uploaded it, and then I did the same thing for the other one. So I just picked something, and then I saved and continued. Okay. And then the next thing I did was to come here. They would, after the saving and continue. So I already picked business. Business was my primary topic I can tutor on. So I picked business, and then the next thing was that they asked me a business question, of course, and this was what they asked me to pick any of these things, and then I picked impact of pandemics on consumer behavior, and I clicked on that, and I think I uploaded something about that too. I saved and continued. It's taking a while. And then the next thing they did for me was that so the next thing I did then was, they had to do my verification. So here you can put whatever your verification is. This is set to my current country, because I already, when I was registering, they were asking for my house address and all of those important things because of some regulations, I believe. So they already set my location to Germany because of the address I gave to them, and they need your mugshot. Let me call it that way. So they need like a passport or a government kind of form of identification. So it could be anything, and you take a shot. You don't have to like dress properly. Just wear something simple and take that shot and write this in that shot. And then you uploaded this, which I already did. Says to me here, document uploaded. And then I save and continued, and then I had to put my number because then I want to get messages as notification, and I had to agree that I'm not going to be involved in any form of plagiarism. I had to agree to their terms and conditions. I had to sign here also, and then submit application. Okay, they're asking me for my phone number, guys. So I will just put some number here. Which I think it's not correct. I just put some some crazy number here. So I put some number there. So I put a number there, which I put my phone number there, and I clicked on submit. This one here. So that's it. Application submitted. Thank you for taking the time to apply for Studypool. Your application was currently reviewed, and and then mine, when I did mine, the first one I did, it took about like 12 hours for them to complete it. And I got a message in my email after 12 hours, or no, after 12 hours that my application has been approved. And guys, from there you can start earning money. All right, guys. So guys, that's about that particular website, Studypool. Like I said, your journey towards financial freedom, it has to be about you being able to keep the money you have, and then also being able to earn more. So today we've talked about earning more, and the other videos, I've made several other videos that teaches you how to keep those money that you've earned, right? So if you have any questions regarding this particular website, do not hesitate to drop them on the comment section. I would pick them up, I would answer them, or just shoot me an email, and share this particular secret to so many other people that you think would need it, because there are so many other people out there. Maybe they've lost their job and they say, okay, you're telling me how to keep money, how to invest, but I don't even have any money to start with. And this is a way they can earn and then start on their own investment journey and their own savings money. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. I'm going to see you again in the next video. All right, have a good and a wonderful day. Bye bye.